Welcome to our tutorial on the Variable Angle Draft tool. I'm going to activate the Variable Angle Draft tool. Under Faces to Draft, select this face. Under Neutral Element, select this face. You see two elements populates our points value field. Point on edge 1 and point on edge 2. Let's close that. We can adjust the angles of these points individually. Click on this value and enter 15 degrees. Tab. Now click on this value, enter 3. Tab. And preview. OK. Let's double-click to reactivate the feature. Let's insert 2 more points. Right-click, Create Point. I'll click on this face and drop a point right about here. Right-click, Create Point. Click on the face again and drop a point somewhere here. Once again, we can adjust the values of these angles individually. Let's enter 25 degrees here, Tab. And for this angle, we'll enter 10 degrees. Tab. Here, something like 1. Tab. Click Preview, and OK. Let's make some more edits. Double-click. Click the More button to view additional options. From this expanded window, we can select a parting element and a limiting element. For more information on the limiting element selection, please review our previous tutorial on the Draft Reflect line. And this concludes our tutorial on the Variable Angle Draft.